had to create a quick video of Emma here because she has been posing there, sitting right in front of me for the past 10 minutes, just purposely preening it in front of me and fluffing up her feathers because I think she wants me to take some photos of her, or at least do a video. There's some mighty nice feathers you got there. Strong feathers as well. I love the attention to care birds have for their own feathers and stuff. Because they obviously need it, because without clean feathers they wouldn't be able to fly properly. She's going to itch her head again. Oh, what's she doing? Oh. Back to doing it. Tail feathers. And back to scratching her head. Right the side. Oh, she's cleaning her other foot. Oh, what was that? Someone sent me a message. Scared the heck out of it, didn't it?